All right, we got a little mini bike here all running. I just started it up, and looks like that old chain's gonna last on there for a little while. I rode it around in the yard a little bit. I had to adjust the brakes, and as you see, we've got those old pegs, the OG ones, and that one over there is broken. But let me fire it up, and you can see it and hear it running. I'm gonna have to hold the brakes because I need to adjust the air screw just a little bit. So here we go. Let's flip this down here. Oh, let's make sure it's on run. Okay, there's our on-off switch is actually on the engine because, like I said, I didn't run one up to the handlebars. And the choke is off and the fuel is on. Here we go. Stand by. Let me put you down, and then I'm going to pull it one strike. Make sure the throttle snaps back. There we go. If I let off the brakes just a little bit, it starts going, but I need a WD-40 on that clutch a little. Make sure I torque down that nut. But yeah, she runs really good. Nice little bike. Nice little bike. Yeah, let me get some lube on that dry clutch. You know, it sounds like a Ducati. Anyway, all right, let me kill this off. Yeah, one pull start there. I don't know. Little side of the road fine. Put $50 into it, and I mean, another probably, well, I don't know how much one of those chains are. Probably another $20. So then we'd be in it for $70. So yeah, right at $50 exactly, and that includes the all the leftover stuff that we used from our old motorcycle stuff, and also all the other projects that we've had in here. Leftover motor oil, new obviously, WD-40, and some engine paint. Oh man, oh, that's where it scraped it on the, already screwed it up. Oh well. Anyway, there you go. Road fine, fixed up. I don't know, give it back, see if the guy wants it. If not, flip it. Probably worth, I don't know, $300 to $500 maybe, something like that. OG 30-year-old mini bike. All right, take care, folks. Bye.